County Materials takes pride in our team members and invests in their success.
After 10 years of working in the aerospace industry, I wanted to find something different. I wanted to have more opportunities to be outside than behind a computer in a windowless room. I drove semi for 10.5 years and eventually came to County Materials. I found County Materials to be a better fit for me since it's close to home and offers a set schedule. Being a dump truck driver is a fun new challenge, but also aligns with skills and experience I already have. The best part of my job is seeing the clouds, trees, and wildlife. I also appreciate the ability to go home at lunch to care for my pets.
We believe that our team members are the key to our success, and their dedication and talents make us stronger.
My mother, who passed away 8 years ago, inspires me. She inspires me to stay strong and to believe in my abilities. I hope to inspire men and women to know you can do whatever you want if you just try. My advice to women who are considering joining the manufacturing or construction industry would be to be open to failure and feedback. Always take your job seriously, but have a sense of humor. Allow yourself to learn from mistakes and don't be discouraged to keep trying.
Build your career with County Materials by visiting our careers page. Together, we're building a company that hardworking people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.